Here is another update. This is more for just weapons for so. Also, this doesn't really do anything. I don't really know what this is yet, but it's probably gonna be some kind of story mode thing. But this is for us beta testers and developers. You see, you spawn with a knife. I think. Let's see. No, it's just gonna keep it at that. Um, you can still shoot the enemy, of course, but now you can use this to kill him. It does 50 damage each time, and this is just a prototype. Also, I don't know if you guys if I showed you this yet, but if I haven't, I apologize because I meant to show you guys that. Also, I don't know if I'm pretty sure I haven't, but you can open these doors right here. You just push E or you run into them, and they do that. They're gonna be changed. Like all this is just prototypes, and will most likely not cut it out for the production. Thank you, and I'll see you guys later.